Precast concrete foundations. What are the precast concrete foundations? How do you use the precast concrete foundation in construction? How do you use it in designs? And what are the available type of precast concrete foundations? Will be discussed today. I'm Prasad from Structural Guide. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. You may get the notification on new videos. Precast concrete foundations can be categorized into two main types. First type is the shallow foundations. Second type is the deep foundations. If we start with the deep foundations, you might have heard the precast piles or driven precast piles. Generally, they are in square shape. They are used to driven into the hard soil layers when the ground condition is not that good to rest the structure. Normally, precast driven pile foundations are driven by the machines or by using weight fallen into the pile. When you have adequate bearing capacity, we can proceed with the shallow foundations. So precast shallow foundations also most common in construction, and also it is very easy to use in the construction. It's very easy to design too. When you do the designs, generally we consider the foundation and the column connection as a pin support. Here also the same concept is applied. We design a footing in a way that it won't transfer certain amount of bending moment. When you have a regular building and repetitive columns having same foundation size, we can use this type of foundations. Due to the repetitive nature, we can use the same type of foundation. As you can see in this figure, they are kind of a shallow foundation or shallow precast foundations. The base is rectangular in shape and the column head is there to insert the column. So the columns, as you can see in this figure, the columns can be casted like precast footing. So then you can, once you place the footing in the place, you can insert these columns and do the concrete. Double bars may be in different nature. As you can see here, you may keep the provisions for these double bars, and also you may have holes in the horizontal direction also if required to put the doubles. You may avoid the horizontal double bars if you do the construction. You may also need not to have horizontal double bars, but depending on your requirement you may put the double bars. This figure indicates a precast foundation and the precast concrete column connection. As you can see here, the footing and column are connected monolithically. The gap between these two column and the footing has filled with the grout. We may use non-sink grout, or else we can use the normal grout also. Depending on this gap, we may use the normal concrete or chip concrete, as depending on the gap we may have to do the compaction and all that. Therefore, so smaller the gap, we may use the chip concrete to fill this gap. What are the advantage of using precast concrete foundations? It is fast construction. When you have a repetitive nature structure, you can make the repetitive foundations. Then it will be fast and it will save some times. Cost is directly related to the time. So if you save the time, cost will be saved. In addition, the repetitive nature of this project or repetitive nature of this production could save certain money, because formwork and all that are repetitive. So the repetitive nature will speed up the production process, and it will save certain amount of money. And also, if it is repetitive, the construction also very easy, and we get to know the method of construction, we get to know the procedure, then it will be easy for construction. With that, we ended today's discussion on precast foundations. Let's meet again from new video. Until then, bye bye.